In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and register on the Barclays Bank website with ease. We'll guide you through each step to ensure you have the best online banking registration experience. Let's dive in. We start by heading over to bank.barclays.co.uk, where you'll be greeted with a message about essential cookies. Simply click on the message to proceed. These cookies are necessary to make the website work efficiently, and understanding this helps prevent any interruptions in your browsing experience. Next, there's another similar message regarding optional cookies. Accepting or managing these won't directly affect your registration process, but it can enhance your overall experience on the site. Again, just click through to keep moving forward. Now you'll see a prompt asking, how would you like to log in? We're not looking to log in yet. Instead, we want to start the registration process. So click on Register Now. You might see this option more than once, and that's perfectly fine. Clicking it will bring us to the right place to begin our registration journey. Once clicked, you should see a Start button. This is your go-ahead to begin filling in your personal details required by Barclays. This information is essential to set up your account securely. Take a moment to gather any necessary documents you might need, such as your ID or bank information, to avoid any back and forth during registration. Proceed by clicking on Your Details. Here, you'll be entering some personal information. The screen will highlight the sections where you need to type in your details. This includes inputs such as your name, address, contact details, among others. Be sure to fill these out accurately to avoid any issues with your account setup later on. As you continue entering these details, remember to double check all the information for any typos or inaccuracies. This step is crucial as it can affect your account registration if information doesn't match what's on your official documents. After entering all necessary information, review everything carefully. Once satisfied, click on Next to proceed. Here, you may need to provide some additional information. Again, pay attention to the highlighted fields where you need to type in your details. Once all sections are completed, give everything one final review to ensure accuracy. This is your last chance before submitting everything for registration, so take your time to make sure it's all correct. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the Barclays registration process. While it may seem like a lot initially, breaking it down step by step makes it completely manageable. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has made your experience smooth and hassle-free. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this.